Hello, friends. Welcome to Speak Well Institute podcast. This is episode 6, and today's topic is my favorite teacher. Introduction. Teachers play a very important role in our life. They give us knowledge, they guide us, and they help us become good human beings. We meet many teachers in school and college. Every teacher is important, but sometimes one teacher becomes very special for us. That teacher inspires us the most. Today, I will tell you about my favorite teacher. Who is my favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is my English teacher. Her name is Mrs. Sharma. She has been teaching me for 2 years. She is not only a good teacher, but also a good person. She is very kind, polite, and hardworking. She teaches English in such a simple way that even difficult lessons become easy to understand. Teaching style. The best thing about Mrs. Sharma is her teaching style. She never shouts at students. She explains every lesson with patience. If we make mistakes, she does not scold us. Instead, she explains again and again until we understand. She uses examples from daily life, stories, and activities to make the subject interesting. When she teaches grammar, she gives simple examples. For vocabulary, she tells us new words and also explains how to use them in sentences. She also makes us read stories and then asks questions. This way, we learn English step by step. Friendly nature. Mrs. Sharma is very friendly with her students. We are never afraid to ask her questions. She always listens carefully and answers politely. Sometimes she even jokes with us to make the class happy. Because of her friendly nature, all students like her very much. Discipline and values. Although she is friendly, she is also very disciplined. She always comes to class on time and wants us to do the same. She believes that time is very valuable. She tells us to respect our parents, teachers, and elders. She also says that honesty and hard work are the keys to success. Inspiration. Mrs. Sharma inspires me to study hard and to speak English confidently. Before, I was shy and scared to speak English, but she encouraged me to practice every day. She told me, "Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning." Because of her motivation, I started practicing, and now I feel more confident. Beyond studies, my favorite teacher not only teaches English, but also teaches us life lessons. She tells us stories about great people. She always says, "Never give up, even if life is difficult." She motivates us to dream big and to work hard for our goals. She also helps poor students by giving them books and extra support. This shows her kind heart. Example of her kindness. I remember one day, a student in my class forgot his notebook. Instead of scolding him, Mrs. Sharma gave him an extra notebook she had. She told him, "Always keep your things ready, but don't be sad. From today, you will be more careful." That small action made the boy very happy. Why I admire her. There are many teachers in my school, but Mrs. Sharma is my favorite because she has all the qualities of a good teacher. She is knowledgeable, kind, disciplined, friendly, and inspiring. She has made English my favorite subject. She has changed the way I think about learning. Conclusion. In conclusion, I want to say that a good teacher is like a light in the darkness. She shows us the right path. She not only teaches subjects but also teaches us how to live a good life. Mrs. Sharma is truly my favorite teacher, and I will always respect her. Thank you for listening to episode 6 of the Speak Well Institute podcast. If you enjoyed this episode and learned something new, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Speak Well Institute for more daily English listening practice. See you in the next episode.